Just finished building an AI news aggregator for a little hackathon, and I've got something pretty cool built out on the front end as well. So this is in N8N, hosted on Hostinger. What we have is right now just a manual trigger so that you can see it working. This will be switched to a daily trigger, then an RSS feed that pulls from a bundle of RSS feeds of different news platforms that talk about AI. And I'm limiting the number of articles pulled by that bundle. Then I'm sending it down two different paths here, as you can see by these two different channels. This first path, what that is doing is a very simple refactoring those articles and putting my own spin on it with my own tone of voice, and then creating a meta description for each article, title generator, and SEO optimized slug for the post URL, and then sending that off to WordPress, my WordPress website, to create a post set in draft. And then when that is all done, ping me a notification on Slack so I can go into WordPress, review the articles, and then make any edits and post. Then coming down this other channel is taking again those bundled articles and creating a news roundup, news bulletin format output that we are then turning into a JSON format, which we're then going to extract using a webhook and connect into two different avatar solutions. The first is a text to video avatar. So the avatar will be a news reading avatar, and we'll deliver that news script. The second avatar platform is an interactive avatar platform. So the same thing, the avatar will be prompted and will be a news broadcaster, but it will be an interactive news broadcaster so that you can have a chat with it after it has delivered the news, or even interject and ask questions and go deeper into the story. And it will then return, once you've finished going into a bit more depth talking to it, it will then return to wherever it was on its news bulletin update. So that is the nuts and bolts of it. Let's run it. And I'll show you the avatar as well. It's doing its thing. After it's run through this top thread, when it runs through the bottom thread, what should pop out is I don't have that many notifications turned on my phone, but I do have for Slack, so I should get a notification come onto my phone for that. So it's just creating the articles and all of the relevant metadata. Okay, so that should have run. Don't have the notification on Slack pushed to my phone. Let's just go and see if it's in there. Yep, it has run. Wonder why that's not. I'm not getting notifications on my phone. Let's check the avatar. So it is putting a JSON output format into this avatar's prompt. When we connect to that,
in today's tech news, OpenAI is addressing some recent concerns around ChatGPT and advertising. The company still insists that there are no ads or ad tests running live in ChatGPT at the moment. However, the chief research officer openly admitted that OpenAI fell short when it came to recent promotional messages users encountered. So, while you won't see traditional ads popping up inside ChatGPT, for now, OpenAI is being transparent about some missteps in how they handled promotional content. That's the latest on the ongoing conversation around ChatGPT and advertising.
is there any information out there about when ChatGPT are going to start creating an ad platform or selling ads?
While OpenAI hasn't made any official announcements about selling ads on ChatGPT, they have been exploring various monetization strategies. In fact, the company has been testing a premium version of ChatGPT called ChatGPT Plus, which offers additional features and benefits for a subscription fee. As for an ad platform, there have been some rumors and speculations, but nothing has been confirmed by OpenAI. The company's CEO, Sam Altman, has mentioned that they're considering different ways to generate revenue, including potential partnerships with other companies. However, it's unclear if or when an ad platform might be launched. It's worth noting that OpenAI has stated that any potential advertising or sponsored content on ChatGPT would need to be carefully considered and aligned with the company's values and mission. They've emphasized the importance of maintaining a positive user experience and ensuring that any monetization efforts don't compromise the integrity of the platform. I'll be keeping a close eye on any developments and will provide updates as more information becomes available. Would you like me to keep you informed about any future announcements or updates on this topic?
I'll check back in with you. Thanks very much. Cool.